Hey there, space cadets! Get ready for a mind-blowing journey as we explore the most explosive event in human history, igniting the biggest firecracker ever, right in the heart of space. Imagine a firecracker so massive it could make the stars themselves jealous. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, Bill. Fire needs oxygen to burn, and space is a vacuum. You're absolutely right. That's what makes this experiment so extraordinary. We're about to dive into the challenges and triumphs of creating a cosmic firework display that defies all expectations. Picture this: a team of brilliant scientists and engineers working tirelessly to bring this vision to life. They've spent countless hours designing a firecracker that can withstand the harsh conditions of space. From the intense cold to the lack of oxygen, every detail has been meticulously planned. And now, after years of preparation, the moment has finally arrived. The countdown begins, and the excitement is palpable. As the firecracker ignites, it's a spectacle unlike anything ever seen before. The colors, the patterns, the sheer magnitude of it all. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. So buckle up, space cadets, because this is just the beginning. Join us as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible and light up the cosmos in ways you've never imagined. This is the Firecracker Fiesta, and it's going to be an explosive adventure you won't want to miss. You see, firecrackers need a special ingredient to ignite and create those dazzling explosions: oxygen. Without oxygen, the chemical reactions that produce the bright lights and loud bangs simply can't happen. It's the same reason why a fire needs air to burn. Oxygen is a crucial part of the combustion process. It's like the breath of life for a firecracker. Just as humans need oxygen to breathe and survive, firecrackers need it to perform their spectacular shows. The oxygen allows the chemicals inside the firecracker to react and produce the energy needed for the explosion. But in space, there's no air to provide that vital oxygen. The vacuum of space is a harsh environment where traditional combustion can't occur. This presents a unique challenge for anyone trying to create fire or explosions in space. So, how do we overcome this hurdle? Scientists and engineers have to think outside the box to find solutions. They can't rely on the Earth's atmosphere to provide the necessary oxygen, so they have to come up with innovative ways to supply it. That's where the ingenuity of our scientists and engineers comes in. They work tirelessly to develop new technologies and methods to make combustion possible in space. This involves a lot of research, experimentation, and collaboration. To make this cosmic firecracker work, we need to provide its own oxygen supply. This means creating a self-contained system that can carry and release oxygen as needed. It's a bit like carrying a portable air tank, but for firecrackers. We're talking about a self-contained system that allows the firecracker to burn brightly, even in the vacuum of space. This technology not only makes space fireworks possible, but also opens up new possibilities for other types of combustion-based activities in space. It's a fascinating blend of science and engineering that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Now, we wouldn't want to set off a giant firecracker in space without taking some precautions, right? Safety is paramount, especially when dealing with explosives in the cosmos. That's why we've designed a state-of-the-art containment system. This high-tech marvel acts like a giant space safe, ensuring the explosion is controlled and doesn't pose any risks to nearby satellites or spacecraft. It's designed to withstand extreme temperatures and pressures, keeping everything in check while allowing us to witness the spectacle safely. Getting this colossal firecracker into space is no easy feat. It's a logistical masterpiece that involves transporting tons of materials, assembling them in microgravity, and ensuring everything is perfectly in place for the grand ignition. Imagine the coordination it takes to move such a massive payload. It's a testament to human collaboration and our relentless pursuit of pushing the boundaries of space exploration. From launch to deployment, every step is a marvel of engineering and planning. Section 5. Space Firecracker Science: Unlocking the Secrets of Combustion. Now, some of you might be wondering, why go through all this trouble just to set off a giant firecracker in space? It's a fair question, and the answer is both fascinating and complex. Well, my friends, This experiment isn't just about the spectacle. It's about advancing our scientific understanding of combustion. You see, combustion is a fundamental chemical process that powers everything from our cars to our rockets. But how does it work in the microgravity environment of space? By studying how fire behaves in the unique environment of space, we can gain valuable insights into the fundamentals of combustion. In zero gravity, flames form differently, creating spherical shapes rather than the teardrop shapes we see on Earth. This allows scientists to observe the combustion process in a new way, free from the influence of gravity. This knowledge can lead to advancements in rocket propulsion, materials science, and even our understanding of the universe's origins. For instance, understanding combustion in space can help us develop more efficient rocket engines, which are crucial for long-duration space missions. Additionally, the insights gained can be applied to improve fire safety on Earth, making our homes and workplaces safer. So the next time you see a firecracker, remember that it's not just a source of entertainment, it's a gateway to unlocking the secrets of the universe. Section 6. Engineering Extravaganza. Building the ultimate space firecracker. Creating a firecracker that can withstand the harsh conditions of space and deliver an epic explosion requires cutting-edge engineering and advanced materials. We're talking about a fusion of artistry and technology. From the meticulously crafted fuse to the carefully calculated composition of the explosive material, every component of this space firecracker is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to overcome extraordinary challenges. Section 7. 3, 2, 1. Ignition. The anticipation builds. The moment of truth is approaching. The team of scientists and engineers huddle around their monitors, their hearts pounding with a mixture of excitement and anticipation. After years of planning and preparation, the time for ignition is finally here. The control room buzzes with activity as final checks are completed. The countdown echoes through the speakers. 10, 9, 8, 7. Each number brings us closer to the cosmic firecracker's grand debut. Section 8. Fireworks in space. A dazzling display of light and sound. And then, it happens. A blinding flash of light erupts from the heart of the containment system, illuminating the darkness of space with an ethereal glow. The explosion, though silent in the vacuum of space, is no less spectacular. Cameras capture the mesmerizing display as the firecracker's contents erupt in a symphony of color and light. It's a testament to the beauty and wonder that science and engineering can create. Section 9. Beyond the Bang. The significance of the cosmic firecracker. As the last embers of the explosion fade away, we're left with more than just a spectacular memory. This experiment represents a giant leap forward in our understanding of combustion and the boundless possibilities of space exploration. The data collected from this cosmic firecracker will fuel scientific advancements for years to come, inspiring new technologies and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Section 10. Join the cosmic conversation. Share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. So, what do you think about our cosmic firecracker extravaganza? Share your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing adventures in science and space exploration. Until next time, keep your curiosity burning bright and your imagination soaring.